Welcome to aminacademy.com. In numerical methods and analysis, we discuss about interpolation with unequal intervals. Before that, we have to discuss about divided difference. A divided difference is defined to be the difference between two successive values of entries divided by the difference between the corresponding values of the arguments. Example, here before that we'll define the divided difference one more time. It is defined to be the difference between two successive values between two successive values of entry divided by the difference between the difference between the corresponding values of argument, difference between the two successive values of entries divided by the difference between the corresponding values of the arguments. Values of Look at this example. Suppose x have the values of a, b, c, d, e, like f of x equal f of a, f of b, f of c, f of d, and f of e, like. That means values of x is given a, b, c, d, e regarding corresponding values of f of x, that is corresponding values of y is f of a, f of b, f of c, f of d, and f of e. Now the first divided difference, the first divided difference equal at x equal a is f of b minus f of a over b minus a, like for the other corresponding values we'll do the same. The first divided difference at x equal to b is f of c minus f of b over c minus b, like it's continuous for other values. At same at x equal to c is f of d minus f of c over d minus c, it's continuous, like. Now here the values of a, b, c, d, e is not necessarily with equal intervals. It may be in unequal intervals. Now here the notation, the notation for divided difference, we will use delta with cross. Like now, first divided difference, divided first divided difference, we are using delta f of x. Second divided difference, we can use it delta square f of x. Third is delta cube f of x square, like it goes. Now for that we have to use it first divided difference, we can use it here b. This we are using here, actually not here now. Now like third difference, fourth difference, it goes continuous. Like let us fill the difference table, the divided difference table, to understand this concept clearly. Now here, suppose this is x values, then f of x, first divided difference f of x, that second divided difference x square f of x, third divided difference f of x. Like now the x values are a, b, c, d, e. Now we'll write little spaces for this. We can write clearly b, c, d and e. Here for corresponding values of y, that is f of x, is f of a, f of b, f of c, f of d and f of e. Here the first difference is defined by f of b minus f of a over b minus a, which is equal to first divided difference of f of a at b. Like the second difference is here, this for the second difference we have to write it like delta square delta cross c f of b minus the d, so b here, b of f of a. Then it is over divided by c minus a, c minus a, that we can write here cross delta square bc of f of a. Then here for that we have to write f of c here. For f of c you have to write f of c minus f of b over c minus b. We can write this one as delta cross c of f of b. Then for this, the second difference, we can write delta of f of c minus delta cross of f of b, here d and e. D and C, not E, D and C over D minus C, or D minus B here, D minus B. That is, we can write this as which is equal delta delta square f of b, here CD, like it continues for values of E will continue like this table. But third difference is, for here you can write third difference, delta square is f of a minus delta cross square of f of a over d minus a, which is we can return as delta square. Now that is delta cube f of a at BCD. Like it continues to fill the table. Now, after using this table, we can use some real values of A, B, C, D, E and f of A, f of B. We can understand this table clear in next videos. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.